In every moment, my love will be attentive. We'll still be forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your abode. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need